Ever feel like your brain is a million tabs open at once? Research for that upcoming project overflowing your desktop? Grocery list mysteriously lost in the digital abyss? Yeah, we've all been there. That's where note-taking apps come in, promising to be the organizational superheroes of the digital age. But with so many options out there, choosing the right one can feel like another overwhelming task to add to the pile. Today, we're diving into the heavyweight contenders. Evernote, the granddaddy of note-taking, and Notion, the new kid on the block with a sleek interface and a whole lot of hype. So, the question on everyone's mind, is Notion finally the Evernote killer? Or is the old guard still king? The OG, Evernote. Let's start with Evernote, the established player with over a decade of experience under its belt. Evernote excels at what it was originally designed for: note-taking. It's a clean, familiar interface with powerful search functionality, allowing you to easily find that random note you scribbled down months ago about the best faux recipe in town. Evernote goes beyond simple text, too. Clip web articles, scan documents, or even record audio notes. It's a versatile tool for capturing information in all its forms. Plus, for those who like to keep things old school, Evernote integrates seamlessly with handwritten notes through its scannable app. The all-in-one powerhouse, Notion. Notion, on the other hand, is more than just a note-taking app. It's a workspace chameleon transforming into a project management tool, a wiki, a habit tracker, or even a fancy to-do list all within the same platform. The star of the show here is Notion's flexibility. With its building block approach, you can create custom databases, boards, and Kanban views to organize your information however your brain works best. Plus, Notion boasts a gorgeous, modern interface that makes using it a joy, unlike some of those clunky organizational tools from the dark ages. The battleground, features and functionality. So which app reigns supreme? Well, it depends on your needs. For the note-taking purist, if your primary goal is capturing and organizing information in a clear and searchable way, Evernote might be your champion. Its focus on core note-taking features and robust search functionality make it a reliable workhorse. For the organizational power user. But if you crave a more dynamic workspace, one that can adapt to your ever-evolving projects and workflows, then Notion is your knight in shining armor. Its customization options and all-in-one approach give you the power to build the perfect digital HQ. Collaboration showdown. Both Evernote and Notion offer team collaboration features, allowing you to share notes, projects, and brainstorm in real time. However, Notion takes the edge here with its superior real-time editing and more intuitive interface for collaborative work. Price check. Evernote offers a free plan with decent storage and basic features. For power users, premium plans unlock features like offline access and increased storage. Notion also boasts a free plan with limitations, but its paid plans are generally more affordable than Evernote's premium tiers. There is no one true king. Ultimately, the choice between Evernote and Notion comes down to your personal workflow and needs. Do you prioritize simplicity and powerful search for capturing information? Evernote might be your perfect match. Are you a control freak who craves a dynamic workspace that can bend to your will? Then Notion is your digital dream come true. The good news? Both platforms offer free plans, so you can take them for a spin and see which one sparks joy, or at least productivity, in your digital life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.